What's up, everyone? Check out these really nice orange safety posts. I got this wanting to signify that our kids are playing in the area, so just to have them slow down. I love the reflective tape on here and the really orange bright color to it. So it really catches the eye, kind of gives you that signal that you need to pay attention, maybe slow down if necessary. So I love the base on here. It's a rubber material, and it was just really easy to put together. Took less than probably 3 minutes to put together. I love that you can attach the chain to this. There's 4 different spots to do it. You have about 5 feet of chain on here, which is a really nice distance. I also like that these are adjustable too, so they can be raised up like this, or you can have them down at a lower level. If you needed a smaller version. So they're adjustable from 19 inches all the way up to 34 inches. I also wanted to use this in the driveway to make sure that no cars could park there until the reserved guests arrive. These would also work great in your neighborhood if there's any flooding on your sidewalk and you just really want to make sure that people aren't going to step into a really big puddle of water. So if you're looking for some high quality safety posts, these ones right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.